So here's the self-turning strainer. Water's just coming from the garden hose there, but it comes down here and plays onto the drum, which is mounted with a ball bearing in there on one end. Here's where the strained water comes out. Of course, with the guard off, some of the unstrained water leaks into the trough, but see, the sawdust gets strained out. Does not appear to be coming out yet strained. Let's see, the sawdust is a pretty good thing to try. But anyway, it's not clogging up. Oh, I got a lot of sawdust here. Ha! Oh, sticks could be a problem. Yeah, sticks could be a problem, but ideally, this drum would have a flange on the edge so the water couldn't fall off the edge and go into the clean bin. Uh-oh, we got a stick. Still turning. Oops, now it's not turning. You know, I don't think... You know what, that, this flap does not need to be in there for sure. There. Now firewood can go through here. Well...